Okay guys, we are here. Here's the inside. Oh no! Load shading. Huwag ka mandaya, uy. Kuha na ako? Okay guys, my first order, is this. It's unlimited. So I want this. And for my sister is that one. Nasaan ang ating wasabi? Oh, there. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Guys, na-ignorante ako dito. Look. Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin. Paano to? Paano mo ginawa?
Yan.
Ayun pala. Ayan guys. Okay guys, mukbang tayo. Ayan. Cheers. Gusto mong kakapal ang mukha ng magkapatid. Okay, here's the wasabi. Here it is. Oh! Thank you. Thank you. Nag-pray ka na ba?
Thank you Lord for the food and this one. Nagutom na kayo.
Unlimited na eh.
One down.
Ha? Yeah, hindi pala included ito. Naman ko na. Hindi included sa 200 Hindi pala siya included, guys. Come, sorry. Can you please come? I didn't know that this is not included.
I should return back.
And I said I already ate the one.
We can return it back.
I can. Okay, thank you.
We cannot return it back.
We cannot.
We cannot.
Just eat.
Yeah, we have to.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't know. Thank
Because
you
only tell us.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
The one I saw is black. I said no, it's not allowed the black.
I didn't know, sorry.
Did I order the spring roll? No? And please just give me also the noodles.
Chicken or
Beef. masiba. Next. One more.
Meron spring roll. Spring roll at saka noodles.
Hindi, gusto ko pa nun ah.
Oh.
I like this. I like this. Spread the black. The black is not allowed. Pareho ba to? Is it the same? Oh, the same. Nakain ko black.
Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi, okay lang daw. It's a mistake.
Okay pa to kasi ano eh. 200 ano nga. Magkano binayaran mo dyan?
Hindi kay Mickey itong isa. Ito kay Mickey. Baka pwede yung kumain.
I'm
Kumuha ako
gonna...
ng ano, hindi kumuha ako ng ano. Ano ko yung spring roll. Bibili ko. Ay ako nga, ano.
Dapat nandun tayo. Kaya nang di masaya, maiiwan natin.
Kasi bakit kasi wala silang ano, no? Yung baby ano.
Wala ba?
Wala.
Nagsuselos ako. Ha? Ay, di kumain ka nito.
Ayoko,
Eat all you can kaya. Eat all you can.
I'm really not that alone. I will eat that game. Go for it as well.
Eh, ikaw?
I'm gonna eat that game.
Kaya ba hindi ka naman mahilig sa sushi?
Parang si Dati Chan, hindi siya pwede.
Hindi ba siya mahilig sa sushi?
I eat, but I'm not like a big fan.
Ito o yung pwede mong order.
No, it's fine. Go for it, though. It's fine.
Amin na yan si Aiden.
No, so I rather you say go to that place quickly.
Please.
And
Where
it
do you
goes
want
on
to go first?
go shop.
Oh, punta ka na.
Where is that? And ano? Yun lang, kaya mag-bonding muna. Will you guys be fine with then? Huh?
Makuha mo masarap.
Ikaw din?
Ito masarap ito ah.
Ano
Yung
ba?
may ganun ah.
Ayan yung prawns na lang, yung dilaw.
Ano ito na? Ano na sa
Ayan. Aiden naman kasi, ano ba naman yan? Okay, Aiden, I'm going to order you ano na lang. Rice. Rice with miso soup. Mahal ang miso soup.
Ay, kasi bang hirap eh. Move niya. Move.
Kaya.
Kay Aiden ma. Miso.
Miso.
Ano yun?
Hindi masarap. Ewan ko ikaw kung gusto mo. Hindi ko pala na. Hi!
Can I get chicken corn soup with just a little bit of rice, like on the side? Like, what is this?
It's the fried noodles or
Or
rice.
rice with chicken?
Yep.
I don't want the, I just want the rice. Is that allowed?
The rice without chicken.
Because I want to give him a bit of food. So I wanted to put a bit of
May-
rice on the chicken
Okay.
corn soup.
Yeah, it's fine. You
Is
can
that
order.
fine?
Yeah, you can order chicken fried rice and then corn soup. I'll just bring them.
Little bit only. Just I don't want the fried. Just give me the corn soup, please. Just the corn soup, yeah. Then I'll get up then put it. Tapos kukuha ako ng yung ano, parang kanin
Ito masarap ah.
Lalagay ko na.
Ito masarap. This is the nice one. The rest is just simple.
Pag may ano doon, with
Ordinary
no sharing and no
sushi.
takeaways, please do not waste.
Sabi?
Ayun, ano ka ba?
Ikaw nang umorder na itong ano.
Okay. Hindi na. Ito na nga sa akong
Ito
sushi,
na sa'yo.
no?
Ito na, hati tayo ito.
Sushi for me.
Ay, ito na sa'yo.
Hindi ako ma-order ng ganyan kapag all-you can nakakabusog.
Hindi si Jared, ay.
Punta ng golf shop.
No?
Oh my word. Iniwan tayo. Yun ang kanyang kaligayahan. Wala si Anich. Anich, wala ka. Sinayang mo. Ang bagal mo kasi.
Ano nga?
Alam ba, Mayang? Akala ko Huwebes ka pa dito. Huwebes pa lang. Tinagapan ko pagpunta ko rito.
Hindi ka po yung 6:30.
Tapos,
Magkano na ako?
all okay.
Kaya nga, magkano na ako.
Ewan ko. Ayan, oh.
Kaya nga, tinitin ako kung sulit na yung 200. Dilaw, dalawang dilaw.
Sige yan.
Nakadalawang dilaw na ako. Saka isang green. Dito ako tinitingnan yung preso.
Magkano?
35 lang yung dilaw.
Guys, ito yung kayo ng aming
35 plus
sushi.
35, 70. Naka 70 na ako.
Kuha tayo ng... Ayun ang gusto ko eh. Is it okay if I will take your video? Not your face only day. Is it okay? How to make it? At least I'm promoting your... I'm vlogging. Is it okay? Is it okay to take a video? How to make it? No? Just like that. Ang dami nang nakain.
Hindi mo ako in-order ng hotdog.
Isa na lang siya, hindi pa makain.
So, Pinoy.
Ate ko na maubos.
Lago nila ka Janet.
Wala si Gina taga-ubos. Ay, si Gina hindi pwede nang kumain ng mga ganyan. Okay guys, ayan na ang aming kinain. Ayan. Ayan na. Bye guys, and see you for my next video. God bless. Love you all.